What if sleep is your brain's nightly cleaning crew? For decades, we thought sleep was just rest. But science now shows sleep is when the brain clears out toxic waste, consolidates memories, and resets for better thinking. In this short documentary, we'll explain the relatable problem, reveal the science, and give practical steps to help your brain get the cleaning it needs. Many of us struggle with poor sleep, brain fog, or forgetfulness. You wake up tired, your to-do list piles up, and coffee becomes a crutch. It feels like the brain isn't getting a reset. That persistent fog is more than fatigue. It's a sign your brain's waste removal system isn't working optimally. So what changes at night? The answer lies in a recently discovered system called the glymphatic system. Think of it as the brain's plumbing for clearing metabolic waste such as beta amyloid and other proteins that accumulate while you're awake. During deep sleep, spaces between brain cells expand, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow through and wash away toxins. This flushing action is most efficient during slow-wave sleep, the deep, restorative phase. The process is active and powerful. Blood flow patterns change, neurons reduce firing, and the brain physically shifts to allow fluid exchange. This isn't abstract lab talk. It matters for memory, mood, and long-term brain health. Experiments in animals and human imaging studies show poor or reduced deep sleep leads to slower clearance and higher levels of waste. Over time, that may increase risk for cognitive decline. But there's good news. Sleep quality is something you can influence. Start by prioritizing consistent sleep timing. Going to bed and waking at the same time strengthens your sleep architecture and boosts more slow-wave sleep. Create a pre-sleep routine that signals your brain to wind down. Dim lights, limit screens, and practice gentle breathing or meditation for 10 to 20 minutes. Temperature matters too. A slightly cooler bedroom helps trigger deep sleep. Avoid late caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime, and limit alcohol, which fragments the sleep stages that enable the brain to clean itself. Exercise earlier in the day supports better slow-wave sleep at night. Aim for moderate aerobic activity most days, but finish intense workouts 2 to 3 hours before bed. Light exposure during the day matters. Natural sunlight helps regulate circadian rhythms so your body knows when to fall into restorative sleep. Naps can help, but keep them short and early to avoid disrupting nighttime deep sleep. If you struggle with insomnia or persistent poor sleep, consult a sleep specialist. Sometimes medical conditions or sleep disorders interfere with the glymphatic function and need targeted treatment. Small changes add up. Imagine reclaiming clear thinking, better memory, and steadier mood simply by improving nightly restoration. For parents of busy kids, shift workers, and anyone glued to screens, these steps are practical and achievable. Let's recap. Protect your sleep schedule, create a calming pre-sleep routine, control light and temperature, avoid late stimulants, stay active during the day, and seek help when needed. Finally, think long-term. Healthy sleep habits are an investment in your brain's maintenance system. Night after night, proper sleep is like a gentle dishwasher for the brain, quietly preserving cognitive function and lowering long-term risk. Start tonight. Pick a bedtime, dim the lights an hour before, and try 5 minutes of slow breathing. Your brain's cleaning crew will thank you. Follow for more brain-friendly health tips and improve your sleep tonight.